If you're looking to level up your lead qualification process with Salesflare, this quick guide will show you exactly how to make the most of the software, even if you're new to it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use Salesflare to streamline your lead qualification and make smarter decisions with ease. Salesflare is designed to help sales teams and business owners automatically capture, track, and manage leads in one place, making the qualification process simpler and more efficient. One of the main features that sets it apart is its ability to automate much of the data entry, so you can focus on what really matters, turning leads into customers. Once you've set up your Salesflare account, it's time to start using its lead qualification features. One of the first things you'll notice is how it automatically pulls in data from your emails, calendar, and social media, which means you don't have to manually input every detail about a lead. This helps you get a clear picture of who you're dealing with right away, which is crucial when you're qualifying leads. The software's lead qualification process starts by organizing your contacts into segments based on your criteria, whether it's industry, company size, or location. But what makes Salesflare truly valuable is its ability to automatically update your lead's status based on interactions. For example, when a lead opens your email or clicks a link, Salesflare automatically tracks that activity, so you don't have to waste time checking manually. Another powerful tool is Salesflare's predictive lead scoring. This feature uses machine learning to analyze your leads' behavior, like their level of engagement with your emails or website, to help you identify which leads are most likely to convert. It's all about helping you prioritize your time and energy on the leads that matter most, ensuring you don't waste time on cold prospects. Salesflare also integrates seamlessly with your CRM, syncing contact information and engagement history in real time. This gives you a complete picture of each lead's journey so you can qualify them more effectively. If you're dealing with multiple team members, this integration also allows everyone to stay aligned on the status of each lead and where they are in the sales funnel. One feature that can significantly boost your lead qualification is the follow-up automation. Salesflare allows you to set reminders for follow-ups, so you never miss an opportunity. Whether you're reaching out to leads after a meeting, a call, or a demo, the software ensures that you stay on top of each stage of the qualification process. This means more conversions and fewer missed opportunities. Another way to qualify your leads more effectively is by tracking social interactions. Salesflare pulls in data from social profiles, so you can gauge your leads' interests and needs based on their online activity. This adds a more personal touch to your qualification process and can help you tailor your approach to each individual lead. Finally, you can customize your qualification criteria within Salesflare. Whether you want to use specific filters, tags, or scoring systems, Salesflare allows you to design a lead qualification system that fits your unique needs. By using these features, you're not just qualifying leads, you're automating the tedious tasks that often slow down your sales process. And with its easy-to-use interface and seamless integrations, Salesflare allows you to work smarter, not harder. Before we wrap up, remember that you can get access to Salesflare for free, along with some exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. This is a great opportunity to explore the software's full capabilities, so you can start qualifying leads and closing deals faster. In conclusion, Salesflare is a powerful tool that simplifies the lead qualification process. By automating data collection, predicting lead behavior, and providing valuable insights, it makes qualifying leads faster, easier, and more accurate. Plus, don't forget to check out our exclusive extended free trial to experience these features firsthand.